Clip was captured at 3 in the morning on April 9, 2023. It happened in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The homeowner was sleeping when the clip was recorded. It wasn't until he woke up and saw a notification on his phone that he found out about it. Looking around for a hidden one. The homeowner claimed that he had never seen this woman before. He said that she later started throwing rocks at his car and trying those locks. It's likely she was under the influence of something. Multiple times she tries to insert keys into the doorbell camera itself. After a few minutes she walks off and was never seen on the property again. Her intentions are unknown.
I'm coming back. You wait and see. Get out! It's my home! Americans been angry at you.
Surveillance footage revealed her forcefully striking the family's front door with a hammer. She even entered their house through the back door when the father and a 4-year-old sister were at home. Though Klein was arrested previously for aggravated burglary and property damage, the case seemed neglected.
She literally had the opportunity to kill my dad or my sister. It made me feel that we didn't matter at all to the justice system. I don't know if this time she might take a gun or something. I want my family to feel like they can be in peace in their own home again.
Klein revisited their residence multiple times, uttering unreasonable remarks and snooping through their mail.
You're a bunch of illegals. You don't belong in America. What are you doing? Something to do with 9/11, Jack?
I called the police every time. They took too long with the charges. I mean, just now, you know, that the video got viral, I was able to get answers.
The family's fear persisted, but the viral video brought attention to their plight, raising questions about the justice system's response. Lady steals all candy from multiple houses, cut on ring, and blames her kid one caught.
Funky. I'll show you things for you. Do not touch that one. Alright, close up. Jordan?
Please leave some for the other kid.
Yeah, he was just looking for peanut butter M&Ms. That's it.
Yeah, I know. You took the whole bin, though. I saw
Alex.
you on camera.
Alex,
Thank you.
come on. Anything? Ready? What are you talking about?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
that yours?
Yeah, but we don't know how to do it.
Oh, you need some help?
You know how to do it?
Yeah, this is our stuff.
This is yours?
Yes.
Sorry.
No, it is. This is all ours. All of it. The chairs, the bag, this is all our stuff. My kids, yep, that's my kids. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Linda, we didn't bring,
It's okay. We'll let it slide, but I'm glad I made it in time.
I'm not making it slide. I'm
Oh.
telling you.
No, no, step away from my. How about that?
You know what? I will, and then I'm going to take that camera and put it in the like that. Step back.
Some crazy lady was sitting on our porch.
What are you doing over here in my house? You're not welcome. Now go away. This is my house. Yeah, this is where I live.
No, it's not.
Yes, this is my husband's house.
No, you don't live here. This is my house.
Okay, then I live over there.
You
This
lost.
is my
Guess what?
husband.
No, honey, this is my house. This is my property. This is everything belongs to
And
me.
I live over here.
But why you? Yeah, you live somewhere else.
Bye.
I think you are. You lost.
That's my husband.
Is it?
Karen smelled down caught completely on camera almost. Has very bad results for this Ring doorbell.
Open your door.
What do you want?
I want to talk to the grown-up who lives here.
Why? What happened?
Answer the door.
What happened?
Answer the door.
No, I don't even know who
I'm
you
your
are.
neighbor.
Is something
Yes.
wrong? Well, can you tell me what it is?
Open
You
the
seem
door.
pretty angry. I really don't want to open the door unless you calm down.
Open the door. I'm sorry. Who are you?
Can you just tell me if something went wrong or if
Yes.
something happened? I'm not aware.
There is something wrong.
Made you angry.
Who are you?
Well, can you tell me what?
You're the mother of this house?
I'm the mother of this house.
Great. Well, we've never met, so let's meet. If your cat doesn't stop pissing and eating and biting all of the things at my house when I don't own a cat and you do, I'm going to get the police involved because I am fed up. My son is very allergic to cats. Your cat will not stay out of my yard, my house, my garage. He gets into my house. Keep your cat. It's your cat. I've already met your husband about it. It's your cat. Yes, you do, and you don't keep any of them inside. Keep your cat inside. Your orange cat. If you would open the door, I can show you.
This entitled, Karen really wasn't happy with the tip she received, but you won't believe what she did next.
you can leave it.
No, I could speak to you actually.
I'm sorry?
I need to speak to you. I don't think you realize where they're coming from, so I need to speak to you.
Where what's coming from?
Where the food you ordered is coming from. I don't think you realize the distance that it's come from, because then you would never actually have given what you give. So I think you can come and meet face to face. Because I drove 40 minutes. And it was extremely far, and I got it to you early. So I don't think you realize where you ordered from.
I don't understand. You
well,
did 4 minutes from where?
From the restaurant that you ordered from. Do you realize how far it is? Do you realize you ordered from Colmac and you're in Smithtown?
That's a 15-20 minute drive.
It's not. You need to try to drive it. I just drove it. It's 40 minutes. It's 12 and a half miles. So I don't think you realize how far it is.
So
I
why
think
did you accept the pickup if you think it's that far?
they don't let us know how far. So I think you need to adjust your tip to make it right.
How much is the tip?
It's an $8 tip.
What the hell are you looking for? I gave an $8.
Okay, I'm gonna bring the food back. Okay.
Okay. Are you kidding? $8? 40 minutes it took her to get it?
Imagine if this current did work for the FBI. I wouldn't trust her anywhere undercover.
Who are you? Investigator from the California State Board of Equalization.
Okay, so who are you looking for?
Do you own this property? Are you the owner?
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the owner of the property.
Well, then I'm pretty sure if you're the tax fraud investigator for the state of California that you'll know how to find a property owner.
Well, if you're not the tenant on the lease, then I'm going to have the police out here and have you removed in 2 days. You understand?
You're funny.
Are you laughing at me?
You look like you're on drugs.
Unless you okay? Looks like you're on drugs. It doesn't matter.
Well,
it doesn't matter.
We'll see what the police say.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you're. Well, this house looks like it's got issues.
You look like you have issues.
And there's no. Okay. Oh, some to your door. You got squatters here at this property, and I'm going to prove to the police that you don't own it. Okay.
You're a squatter. You're on my property. Get off of it.
Actually, you know what? I'm going to have you removed from this property in 2 seconds, and I've got your phone number out here and your son's card, and I'm going to make sure that he's doing no construction without a license.
Handle your business.
Handle your business, because this house looks like shit.
You look like shit. Go take a shower.
You got spider webs in your lawn.
You had spider webs in your crotch.
You know what? Go back to doing your drugs and squat on houses that you can't afford, lady, because you're going to be gone.
I have a feeling that, when MC Hammer sang about Hammer Time, what this Kevin is doing didn't come to mind, but I could be wrong. All I know is that he shouldn't be touching that doorbell. Obviously he doesn't like the Ring cameras at him, so he's taking every measure to sabotage the Ring cameras. This guy just needs to move out or something. What do you think this guy's problem is? Does he just have privacy issues? Or does this guy have mental issues? What do you think?